I miss you. I miss you, baby. I miss you. What's good with it? It's your kinfolk Dookie, back again with Bang. Budget and new gear reviews that we get the best bang for your tech dollars. Now last year, I got sent a couple of devices from a company called Earfun. Now I get a lot of budget devices in, and sometimes they really focus on the wrong thing where they're trying to compete with devices that cost double and triple what these do. Earfun seemed like their focus was on simply providing the best sounding audio that you could get on a budget. Honestly, I haven't had any problems so far with any of the Earfun products. First, it was the Earfun Free, which is their truly wireless earbuds, stamp of approval. Secondly was the Earfun Boom or U-Boom or whatever. Since I've taken it out of the box and done that review, it's been in my bathroom where it gets used at least twice a day. Whenever anybody's showering or spending a lot of time in there, I'm probably in there listening to music. That's just how it goes down over here. No judgment. So now they've sent me these, the Earfun Wave. And to make this review short, let's just say Earfun is 3 for 3 in the DVZN Media book, plain and simple. But I know you guys want more of a review, and I felt like switching it up a little bit. First, we're going to talk about what I do and what I don't like about these headphones. Then we're going to listen to some K-pop because that's what I like to do. But first, let's talk about what I do and don't like about these headphones. Right out of the box, they're pretty simplistic. You have some Earfun branding here on the right and the left. That's pretty much standard. I don't like it. You don't have a lot of padding here at the top of the band, and they kind of use this matte, silky plastic material all over that just attracts oils and everything. So if you care about that type of stuff and you hold these and touch these, you're gonna get fingerprints and oils all over this material, plain and simple. Now, the ear cups are definitely soft and cushy. Already out of the box, you gotta win because a lot of times on budget headphones, them ear cups is trash. These right here are actually pretty nice. You do have ratcheted stretching, so if you wanna get a specific like number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on this side, it's really easy. I got a big head, so I need it extended all the way. Other than that, to round it out, simply right here on the bottom, you have your 3.5 millimeter port if you want to plug these in. I haven't. I'm not going to be able to talk to y'all about that. I'm sorry. Also, you have your charger port here on the side, and then you have 3 buttons. You have a play and a pause and a plus and a minus multifunction buttons. Now, let me get into one of the things I do not like about that. Those are these 3 buttons. Now, it's pretty simple enough, but if you see, each button has some type of raised figure on it, whether it's the plus or the minus or these 3 little dots on the play and the pause. Now, when you have it on your head and you're just using your thumb trying to select which one, it's kind of hard to pinpoint the play and the pause sometimes. So you might turn the song up or turn the song before you pause it, vice versa. It's very minuscule, very nitpicky. That really is probably the one thing I don't like most about these headphones, so I really wanted to get that out of the way. Other than that, the feel is pretty good. The ear pads are nice, soft and cushiony. You know how we talk about them being breast assists that you just want to lay your heads on. That's what they feel like. I'm not gonna get deep into the specs, but here, focus on that. If you want to get more of the specs, focus on this or check the links down below where you can pick one up and find out way more about it. And if you use my link, it helps your boy out. I just gotta be honest about that. I haven't charged these in about a week or so of pretty strong use every day. So the battery life is pretty good. Also, the call quality. Shout out to the homie Antoine. I called him one time. We had a pretty long conversation. He said, oh man, they sound better than when you're just talking normally on your phone. He sounded great on my end. And since then, I've pretty much used these to have phone conversations with work, family, and never had any issues. They sound great. All right, so now before we get into this, I want to say that I am a fan of K-pop, but if you know of more deep, intricate artists or the artists that you really are super big fans of and I didn't show any love in this video, make sure you leave it down in the comments. Let me know something to check out. So I'm always down to hear more of what's going on. Now, the first group, I can't help it. I'm a big fan. Blackpink. Let's go with Kill This Love. I just want to hear how this sounds. I know it has a lot of big sounds, so I want to hear exactly how it feels in these headphones. Woo! Right off the bat, that bass. Okay, before we go any further, like if you've heard this song before, as soon as it starts off, you get a little bit of a bass kick, then you get these horns, and the horns sound really good. The vocals, the Blackpink in your area, it already sounds good. Okay, let me just listen, all right? Let's go. Hey. I love these girls. Hey. What? Let's go. Hey. Woo. Let's kill this love. Hey. Okay, let's switch it up. This one right here is what I want to call like some soulful R&B K-pop. This is EXO with What Is Love. Let's check this out. I just want to hear a little bit of this. Woo! Hey, honestly, first time I heard this, I was like, yo, they're singing like this? Wow. Okay, well, nobody say. Them guys can sing. Okay, that was a little bit more soulful. Let me hear all the sultry tones and whatnot. Let's turn this back up a little bit. I got a 4-minute crazy. Okay, let's see. Oh, man. I love these videos. Just the visuals is crazy. There's a lot going on. Let's turn it up. I want to hear that bass drop. Woo! Okay. Okay. Let's do one more. I want to do one more. Let's take it back a little bit more soulful. Okay, I'm going to do one more because honestly, I could do this all day and y'all don't want to just see me looking like a fool, making faces, listening to K-pop. Let's do one more. This is by Crush. This is called Sometimes. There's another one that kind of surprised me that was on a little more soulful, chilled out tip. Let's check this out. Yeah. This is my vibe all day. Right here. Yeah. We got that oh. Oh man. I want to rap on something like this. Yeah. Let's go. Hey. So the Ear Fun Wave. Man, I've been sitting here about 20 minutes. Y'all saw me listening, going through some of my favorite K-pop tracks. And I picked those because they really have a lot going on in most of these tracks. I want to say that the versions that I listened to, I was watching the YouTube videos, so I can't say if they were like the highest quality of the actual audio track. Like if I would have listened to like this with my Amazon HD or something like that, the actual individual audio tracks might have sounded better. But overall, K-pop is a lot going on. There's, you know, the build up to the bass, and you got so many different types of sections in the music. The ones that I picked were either, you know, on the Blackpink extra hype 4-minute style or something a little bit more soulful with an R&B kind of chilled vibe. And honestly, it sounded so good in these headphones. I mean, I'm not trying to sell you something that's trash. I wouldn't tell you to go out there and pick up a pair of headphones that I would never use. Honestly, I have a bunch of headphones that cost way more than these. And when I'm just sitting here listening to music, I pick these up because they simply sound good. I know when you want to get into your vibe and really get on your enthusiast tip, sometimes you need all of the extra stuff. Sometimes it can be simple, and these are simply good. It just sounds good, man. Nice bass, nice mids and lows. Vocals came through clear and present. You can hear all the different instrumentations. It doesn't have the widest soundstage. These are not gonna sound like an audiophile pair of open back headphones. It's a budget pair of Bluetooth headphones that sound damn good, if you ask me. Other than that, I'm gonna get up out of here. It's your Kinfolk Dookie. Like I said, check the links down below in the description so you can find out more. You can also see the links to the playlist that I use to listen to music for these headphones. If you have any suggestions for what I should be listening to, K-pop, soul, rock, yodeling, whatever, leave them down in the comments. I will check it out. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.